25th of February. It's still cold here, but you can see the first signs of spring. And I went to gather some branches. As long as I remember, I have always loved nature. My childhood days spent with my dear grandmother in her garden taught me a lot about living with nature and creating from nothing. I remember her abundant garden, racks with dried herbs, and evenings where we were sorting seeds for the upcoming season. She kept them in little matchboxes. This is the time I developed skills for self-sufficiency, and till today, I try to find as much as possible from nature. It's so beautiful and has so much to offer, if you know where to look. 5th of March. My branches woke up and they are covered with tiny leaves, which makes me so happy. I'm going to create some decorations and decorate the branches. I have been planning my Easter decorations weeks ahead. Yes, I was that excited about decorating my home for Easter. If, to be honest, before my daughter was born, I wasn't much of a decorator and embraced minimalism. Now, I feel that something is missing. Seeing the world through child's eyes has definitely brought back my creativity. Now, when I'm writing all my ideas down for this video, I'm also realizing that I have a responsibility to create her childhood. And I want it to be filled with a bit of magic. So it's definitely that time of the year when Easter bunnies come alive, at least in our household. For me, creating makes me slow down, which is important in today's fast-paced world. It challenges my imagination to find solutions for problems and to explore the possibilities of creating things from scratch and being self-sufficient. It's also a very fun activity to do with the whole family. It encourages family bonding, teaches teamwork, and creates family traditions. I have always liked to create with my own hands, and I appreciate handmade things more than ever. Just the way they are done, with love and intention. I think that things like that have more soul and personality. Eighth of March. I'm planning to give a new life to a box of eggs and create a table centerpiece out of it.
Blue sky come bearing up before us. We hang on the hem of your gown. Blue sky come, promise not to leave us. Tarry not to our town. There's a darkness in the valley, heavy branches blue sky calm, dancing in between us. Take us up, lay us down. Blue sky calm, promise not to leave us. Tarry not to our town. There's a violence under our feet, running stitches through our homes. Bring a lantern, bring it quickly.
10th of March. Time to finish my centerpiece, and I really like how it's coming together.
Straight cruising, headed for a bruising. Watching out for number one. You gotta slow down. Look around.
With this video, I hope to encourage you to add a meaningful touch to your celebrations, even if you are just decorating your home with some branches. The fact that you have picked them yourself adds a special touch to the whole setting.
You can rest your